In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to share a Claude AI chat link. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to Claude AI. Also put a link to that down in the description below. Once from here, you'll need to log in to your account like you usually would. Then from here, you'll need to go over to the open sidebar in the left-hand menu. Once from here, you should bring something like this. Now from here, you'll need to find the recent tab down here, and you can click that by show and then see all of your recent posts or chats. From here, you'll need to choose the specific one that you want to share a chat link for, and let's just click this one in particular. From here, it should bring something like this, where you can go up to the right-hand corner and go up to the share link up here, and then from here, you'll be able to share a chat. Only messages up to this point will be shared. From here, you can either keep it private, so it only you have access, or you can create a public link by clicking right here, and then you'll be able to get this link right here that you can then copy and then send it to your clients or friends or so and so on. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!